Urizun wing bean is an early maturing and supremely delicious legume from Japan. Baker Creek founder Jer Gettle first encountered wing bean on a trip to Thailand. He was fascinated by its unique shape and beautiful lavender-colored flowers, and he was eager to offer them in the RareSeeds catalog. But the wing bean is a tropical crop and requires a long growing season. In the climate of our Missouri farm, that meant the plants set pods just before frost. Jer searched for years to find a variety like Urizun. Unlike most wing beans, Urizun isn't day-length sensitive. The lush vines of this exotic edible ornamental develop pods in August, and they keep going until frost. Winged bean is especially popular on the island of Okinawa, Japan, where this heat-loving vegetable takes center stage during the warm summer months. Winged bean pods are traditionally blanched and stir-fried with ume, or pickled Japanese plum, but here at the Baker Creek Trial Kitchen, we love to toss them into the wok. They're also great steamed or in soups. The sliced beans resemble little stars, and they can be a fun way to introduce kids to this nutritious vegetable.